Good morning, everybody. This is KTTT Travels. Today we have a beautiful sunrise, and it's going to definitely be a very hot day. That's why we decided to come out for an early walk with our precious girl Mika. Yes, this is our border collie Mika, and we shall enjoy our walk here in our taman, which is our local area in Bandar Sri Caulfield, Sungai Buloh. You can see our path. We are heading towards our little alleyway where we can enjoy a little bit more of this beautiful morning together. Look at this beautiful blue skies. Amazing. Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy festivities, and we shall see you soon. Lots of love. Bye for now. Click for like. Enjoy.